Mastering Reported Speech, Interactive Reading Exercises. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at reported speech, also known as indirect speech, an essential part of English grammar. Specifically, we will be diving into some reading exercises that will help reinforce your understanding and usage of reported speech. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we jump into the exercises, let's do a quick recap on reported speech. Remember, we use reported speech when we want to tell someone what another person said. For example, if your friend Alice said, "I am hungry," you can tell someone else what Alice said by using reported speech. Alice said that she was hungry. Notice the change in verb tense and the addition of that in the reported speech. Let's begin with our first exercise. I will read a short conversation, and your task is to convert the direct speech into reported speech. Here is the conversation. Bob, I'm really tired. Alice, I didn't go to the concert last night. Chris, I will call you later. Take a moment to think about how you would report these statements. Done? Here are the reported versions. Bob said that he was really tired. Alice said that she hadn't gone to the concert the night before. Chris said that he would call later. In this section, I will read a sentence using reported speech, but there is a mistake in the sentence. Your task is to identify the mistake. Ready? Here it goes. Jane said that she can play the piano. Can you spot the mistake? That's right. The correct sentence should be, Jane said that she could play the piano. Remember, we usually shift the tenses back in reported speech. Finally, a more challenging exercise. I will read a brief story, and your task is to transform the direct speech in the story into reported speech. Here's the story. Yesterday, John said, "I am going to the gym tomorrow." Mary replied, "I don't like gyms." Take a moment to rewrite this in reported speech. Done? Here's how you could do it. Yesterday, John said that he was going to the gym the next day. Mary replied that she didn't like gyms. Great job, learners! We've covered quite a bit in today's lesson, and I hope these reading exercises have helped you in mastering reported speech. Remember, practice is the key when it comes to learning English grammar. Don't be afraid to revisit these exercises until you feel comfortable with reported speech. Until next time, happy learning!